Have you ever had a week where you were busy every single second? Back-to-back meetings, hundreds of emails, constant Slack messages, but when you finally logged off on a Friday evening, you had that sinking feeling that you made zero real progress. That was my life a year ago. My studio Createbytes was successful. We were profitable, we had great clients, but we were stuck. We couldn't take on the bigger, more creative, more ambitious projects we dreamed of because our most brilliant minds were completely bogged down by the same stuff. It's the story of how we stopped selling our time and started scaling our impact by building a new kind of digital workforce. I'm going to show you the exact framework we used, the code we wrote, and the philosophy that now drives our entire studio. This is our playbook. We needed an operating system, a platform to define, manage, and orchestrate these agents. After testing everything out there, we built our entire workflow on one framework, Microsoft's Autogen. So what is it? Autogen is an open source framework that lets you create teams of conversible AI agents. Think of it less like a single tool and more like a microservices architecture for LLM tasks. It allows you to build small, specialized agents and then define how they communicate and collaborate to solve complex problems. And yes, the framework itself is completely free and open source. The only cost is the API calls to the large language model you choose, like GPT-4. For our studio, the ROI on this has been astronomical. In terms of power, it's breathtaking. We have seen it used to build applications that write their own code, perform complex financial analysis, and even simulate user feedback sessions. Its power is in automating multi-step, multi-skill workflows. Now, before we get into the code, you just need to understand the two main building blocks. First, you have the assistant agent. This is your specialist, your coder, your writer, your researcher. It's an expert thinker. Second, you have the user proxy agent. This is the manager. It's your proxy in the system, the only one that can actually execute code and interact with the real world. You create a team of specialist thinkers and one manager who can execute. That's the core of it. Now that you understand the architecture, let me show you the very first proof of concept we built that proved this entire model would work. To test this new philosophy, we took one of our most tedious internal tasks, creating a daily briefing on AI trends for our team and clients. This used to take an analyst 3 hours every morning. Our goal was to build an AI team to do it for us. Our mission: find the top 3 trending articles about AI agents and multi-agent systems from top tech news sites today. Write a sharp 1-paragraph analysis for each and then format the entire thing as a clean HTML email briefing. Let's run it. The Scout is online. It's planning its research and you can see its logic right here. It's found the URLs. Now watch the handoff. It's passing the raw content to the strategist. The strategist is reading, thinking, and distilling. And look, it's sending a perfectly crafted summary to the communicator, who is now building the HTML report piece by piece. This is what a scalable system looks like. The task that took a human 3 hours, completely flawless by our AI team in under 2 minutes. This was the moment we knew we had found the key to our next level of growth. That was a year ago. Today at Createbytes, we have dozens of these agents, teams running at all times. They handle our first drafts, our research, our code testing, our project reports, everything. They are the engine of our efficiency. And my human team, they are thriving. They're spending their days on what they love: high-level strategy, creative direction, and building incredible relationships with our clients. This isn't just our story. This is a new possibility for every creator, every developer, every professional, and I want to give you the key to unlock it for yourself. I've taken our internal playbook and turned it into the ultimate AI agent starter kit. If this story gave you a new perspective, I'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe.